it's gonna rain, and Jan wanted to play in the rain, but we need to wait till it's actually downpouring, right? We're gonna play Truth or Dare, and we're gonna be like, run to the hoop and come back while it's raining, right? And we're gonna get really wet.
You know what?
I don't want to dig. Maybe you can make a sandcastle. It was just downpouring, but then it stopped. It's like an on and off really fast. Yeah, put some mud in there. Oh, Jan's starting. Jan.
What?
I want you to run to Brother and come back as fast as you can in the rain. Go.
Okay.
Run. No, yeah. Go. He's running to you. It's actually raining. All right, come back. Woo, did you get wet? Oh, look at this, proof that it's raining. Oh, and he's over again. This proof that it's raining. Oh, jump. Run. Should I go out there with him? I don't think I should. Here, wait. I'm gonna hang out my hand. Oh, he's coming back. Run, Forrest, run! Okay, what do you want me to do?
Just go fly now.
Alright, you want me to, I'm gonna run all the way to Brother and back. Come here. I need you to record me. Make sure it's on me though, okay? Don't press any buttons yet. Just like that. Are you ready? It's cold! Alright, you want me to see? Go. And he's still going. No, Jalen! Jalen! Stop! Jalen, if you see a car, you stop. Got it? Jalen, if you see a car, you stop it, okay? You don't keep running. Actually, you be by his side. Be by his side. Be right next to him, Cameron. Oh, God. All right, wait. Hold on. Let me run back to the garage. When can I get wet? Go. Good job. Okay, Jalen. No. So you're not gonna go in the road. You're gonna go across the grass. Okay? Okay. All right, ready? Oh, I go run to that tree. Run to the tree and back.
Why?
Go. I'm recording. Don't go in the Don't go in the road though. All right, come back. What is he doing? What the? I didn't ask him. Oh my God, it's actually boring. You can come back now. Come back. What is he doing? Jalen, stay there. Or come back to me. Oh, why'd you just stand there? Let me see. Is your shirt all wet? Yeah, it is all wet. What? Do you want Sissy to go do something? Here, we'll put the camera down. On a walk? Not while it's raining. Definitely not when it's raining. Oh, hold on. Oh, careful. You okay? All right, Jan, so we both went to the road and back?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Oh, crap. All right, go! Oh, my definitely need an umbrella.
Why?
Because I was so cold. It's like down. Oh my God! What is? Jalen, don't go in the road. Oh my goodness. Here, what time is it? When's Malcolm? 4:38. Jalen, it is downpouring.
What?
Look at the.
What's this?
What are you doing? Oh my God, this kid is crazy. Ready, run back! Good job. You're crazy, Jalen. Jalen. What are you doing? Look at Runner. Runner's just playing out there. What is he doing? Can you guys see him playing basketball over there? What is he doing? You gotta go pee? Alright, go. I'm not recording you. Guys, it is actually raining so hard. What are you doing, Cameron?
Done.
You done?
Yeah.
Pull up your pants.
Here.
Alright, I'll help you. Come over here. I'm not recording you, don't worry.
Really?
Yeah, because you're all wet, so they're hard to pull up.
Uh-huh.
Alright, wait. The shirt's disgusting. Alright, you're good. You're good.
Hey. Look at my tail.
Jalen, should we put your pool out there? No, should we put a bucket out there and see how much it gets rain on? Okay, so it's nothing's in there. Look, I'll even pour it on Jalen if there's anything in there. Nothing. Okay, ready? I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, it's right there. Oh. Now, Jalen, we're gonna see how much it gets rained on, okay? How much things can fill the bucket. How much rain? Are you soaked? Doesn't look like anything's in there yet. Oh my God, it's cold. Nothing in there. Ah! Okay, I'm not doing that.
We are.
What do you mean you are? Where are you going?
I cannot.
And Jalen, don't put your... Whoa!
They're gonna walk down the street now.
Oh, they're gonna walk down the street and back, you guys. Wait! Hold on. I need to find an umbrella. And I'm gonna put you guys right here. What is he doing? It's literally raining so hard. I don't know what he's doing. Jalen, you're crazy. What'd you do?
I was here.
Here, get next to the bucket.
Why?
Because I want to take a picture for you for the thumbnail. Alright, smile. Look at me. Go, go next to it. You're in front of it. Yeah, smile. What the heck? Alright, if you want to run to the end of the street, your thing's recording. I can see you. I gotta try to find an umbrella though, first, before we go. Okay? Because I am not trying to get wet. At all, mister. Okay? Even though I might... Yeah, where's the umbrella? Oh my. there, Jalen.
Wait, this wall.
I know. Well, first I need an umbrella. I'm not gonna go up there.
No, we just fucking puzzle.
With Ryder?
Yeah, okay.
I don't know because the car was coming. He wasn't even watching it.
What?
I don't know because the car was coming and he wasn't even watching you. He didn't even go up there. He just said, Jalen, that's not gonna help.
Hey.
There is an umbrella. Oh, they're going to jump in my car. You know what? I know where an umbrella is. Jared, where's all the umbrellas? Jared! Where's all the umbrellas? What the heck? Usually be right there. What?
Where is everybody?
Jalen and Cameron are jumping in puddles. Oh. Oh no. Yeah?
You can see how windows are up.
They are. Oh crap, I don't want to go. It's too cold. The bucket over there is probably full. They're just standing there like nothing's happening. Jalen, your whole hair is soaked. I want an umbrella. Oh my god. They are absolutely crazy. Now you gotta dry off in there. Now you gotta dry off. You gotta dry off in the garage and then go through the garage door. No, I unlocked it. Okay, Emma, run! Watch out! Okay, Jan, I need to find a bus. Jalen, don't take out anything. Because we gotta go inside. Because it's downpouring. Yeah.
No, upward.
It's uppouring?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Look, things are raining.
Oh. Okay, well, I don't see any things.
Yeah, give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Okay.
Give me a hug.
Okay, here, say bye to your friends.
I'm a frog.
Say bye to your friends. Say peace out.
Peace out.
Now hit this camera.